Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Kapwing automatically. Subtitles or captions are essential for making your videos more accessible, engaging and viewer-friendly, especially on social media where many people watch without the sound. And Kapwing offers an automatic subtitle generation feature that uses speech recognition to create captions for your video in just a few clicks. Open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type on kapwing.com and enter it. Over here you can simply click to start editing and create new, or you can simply go to one of the drafts at the bottom as well, and make sure to upload a video and it will get into this editing timeline, and wait for the video to fully load on this editor as well. And over here on the left hand side we can find there's an option for the subtitle. Simply click onto the subtitle. Over here you can also click onto this auto subtitle, which is for the automatic generate subtitles for your video, and that is it. Select this auto subtitle again and it will automatically start adding the subtitles to your video. And ensure clear audio for more accurate transcription, and you can translate subtitles as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.